Hi there, Melody from WTI. Do you want to see something cool and something that you need? I think every house needs. It is this really awesome portable countertop ice cube maker. It's 2 quarts. It makes 26 pounds of ice, which is amazing. And super easy to use. You just fill this part up here with water to the max line. Then you close the lid, go to your menu, you choose your size by using the select, press start by pressing the on and off, and then watch the magic happen. So last minute company, or it's a really hot day and you're running out of ice cubes, no problem. You've got this. And you get 2 different sizes of ice. Oh, and remember those stinky trays? You know what I'm gonna do with this? I am in love with this. It's portable, it's easy to carry, and cleanup is a breeze. It's got a little drain plug here in the front. You put it back in your counter, ready to use for the very next time. I'm very happy with it and excited for my summer to be kept cool, and I know yours will be too, and that's my point of view.